How's it going, everybody? Mike with Cleveland Cutting Board Furniture Company here on a beautiful day to talk about the crap I did this week in the shop. This week in the shop, we got a lot done. The first thing was I finished up my friend Candy and Dave's Lazy Susan. Candy ordered this. I'm not sure if Dave knows about it or not, but we're gonna say it's for both of them. I got that all wrapped up. That's done, ready for delivery. That was a fun project. Went back and forth with Candy on some designs. Found something that made her happy, which isn't always easy to do. Love you, Candy. So I got that ready to go. It's supposed to be delivered this week, but I keep forgetting to put it in my truck. So I'm gonna get that to her tomorrow. The Freeman boat table, the Exuma boat table for my friends, the Freemans. That is 99.99% done. Tomorrow, Monday, I'll go through and do some final touch-ups, a little tweaking of this, a little tweaking of that, make sure it's perfect. It has to sit for a full week before it's, so there's one that it's dry to the touch, but it's not cured. That varnish needs at least a week to get really rock hard. So that's all done. I also finish up the teak table. I got that done as well. That turned out really nice. I used a gas pipe legs and a solid teak top with a turquoise nautical store inlay. The dogs are fighting over there. Anyway, so yeah, so I got a couple more little things to do with that. I'm liking these gas pipe legs. I used to not be a fan of them, but now that I've been using them, I like that industrial look on some of this. So you have this nice fine piece of teak, super nice finish, and you have this, you know, this gritty gas pipe legs. So I actually found a company that makes really great components. They have these special feet, they're adjustable. So yeah, so this one's unofficially for sale now, but I'll have it done this week, 100% ready for sale. So that's done. Grill scrapers. I sold out 40 grill scrapers, so I'm gonna start a new batch. I know a lot of you guys are waiting for them. A lot of you messaged me, hey, can you hold me one? I can't hold you something that you haven't paid for when someone's standing in front of me with money saying, here, can I have that one? So, but I'm making more. I am making more. I'll have those ready. By midweek, I'm gonna start a big batch of them, get them knocked out, because it's grilling season. They're working awesome. People are coming up to me saying, hey, my buddy bought one. I seen how well it worked. I wanted one too. So it makes me feel good when I hear that stuff, knowing that a design is coming through. So the scrapers, I'll have more of those this week. What else? The big thing now is wedding gifts. Cutting boards, serving trays, signs. I got a lot of sign orders for wedding gifts. That's where it's at. You wouldn't go to Walmart or one of the big box stores and buy something, but when you order something custom, it shows that person that, what's going on in there, those dogs? Shows that person you made effort and put some thought into the gift, so it's pretty cool. So right now it's about a 2-week wait on a wedding gift. So get those wedding gifts. I also have some weddings I have some weddings that I am photographing that's coming up here this summer over the next few weeks. That's gonna keep me pretty busy, so pretty looking forward to that. The July, next month, secret sign of the month. I've already started it. I picked somebody out. I'm really excited about getting this to this person, these people, it's a couple. The very first secret sign of the month went to someone who's really good friends with this person. Well, him and his wife watched these videos, so I don't want to give it away, but that sign will be, I started it. I pulled the lumber and rough cut it. I'll mill it up and glue it this week and work on the design, head it to them next month. Plenty of time. And what else? Oh, the big show in Huron Beach Market. What a great venue. Friday night was a total bust. Didn't sell one single thing on Friday night. There's only 2 hours, and it was a weird thing. Yeah, the Huron Beach Market, great venue. I've done a lot of these markets, and this one has been, which is great. I was right on the lake. Beautiful day, no light little breeze, kept it cool. Beautiful sun, great crowds. It started off slow, had a real strong middle, then it kind of died off pretty quick. But it was still a great day. It was definitely worth it. I'll definitely look forward to doing that one next year. Got to hang out with Rusted Bear products, Rusted Bear CNC, all their cool products. Hung out with them a little bit and met some new people, met some people I've known. A couple of my buddies, my buddy Frank and his special friend rode out. came out and visited, and just, you know, my friends Sammy J and Brian and baby Nella, they came out in the stroller and we're walking around, so that's cool. So I was like, the sport's amazing, so I appreciate it. But yeah, I made a lot of new sales, made a lot of new, hopefully new customers, and got some leads on some bigger projects. So that's pretty cool. So really excited about that. Starting this week, the big thing is the record player hutch. That is gonna be, I'm looking forward to making this thing. It's gonna be a challenge. I met with Colleen, we collaborated on it. We had our last design review meeting before she gave the final stamp. Spent about an hour finishing all that up. So yeah, it's gonna be a great project. I've been wanting to make since like a mid-city modern style with American classic furniture touches, I guess. So it's gonna be great. Recessed records, storage. I think we figure it's gonna be about 150, at least 150, 200. Room for store like around 200 albums, 150. I forget what we said, but 1 inch of storage is like 5 albums, I think we figured. Anyway, so yeah, so starting that, I have the solid walnuts here. I'm picking up the veneer this week. I've already bought it, paid for it, so I gotta go pick it up. So I think I've been cleaning. I cleaned a little bit on Friday. Started Thursday, Friday, and then Monday, I'm gonna spend the day cleaning and then kick that project off. And then of course I have cutting board orders to work on. I've got cutting board orders, wedding orders, a lot of signs. I have a big sign. I'm starting this week, the big sign in the other shop. That's not a big sign, but a good size sign for Harbortown Trading Company. She got her approval through the City of Vermilion Historic Board. She got the approval for that, so she's bringing me the final color, and we'll get that carved and get that for her. I want to get it done before Fish Festival. That's my plan. That's in 2 weeks, not this coming Sunday, the following Sunday. So yeah. But anyway, that's it for this week's Cleveland Cutting Board and Furniture Company. I have some people who submitted some stuff for their. If you remember, I talked about doing the Secret Sign of the Month, you guys suggesting who you would like me to do it to. I have people sending me stuff, but they're sending me names. Like, you have to tell me why. Don't say, hey, Uncle Joe. Why should Uncle Joe be selected for the Secret Sign of the Month? Take the time and tell me why Uncle Joe is special, and I'll consider him. So don't just send me a name of Suzy. Who the hell is Suzy? What'd Suzy do? So Anyway, keep them coming in. Whiskey and Wood Talk on Wednesday. Everyone have a great week. I'm gonna go mow the grass. There's rain coming. The pool is like 86 degrees right now. So get the grass mowed, jump in the pool, and then spend the rest of the day relaxing, listening to the rain. We need the rain. Don't want it, but my grass is crunchy. So anyway, everyone have a great week, and I'll see you on Wednesday for Whiskey and Wood Talk. So, hey, knock it off, assholes. Doing a video out here.